In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate a Notion page. Notion is a fantastic tool for organizing your life, whether it's personal projects, work, or studies. Sometimes you might find yourself needing to duplicate a page to make a backup, share a template, or simply manage different versions of your work. Let's dive right in and walk through this process together, step by step, so you can effortlessly manage your Notion workspace. Firstly, you'll want to navigate to the Notion page you intend to duplicate. This could be anything from a detailed project page to a simple list or a more complex database. Having your page ready is key, so just open it up as you normally would. Once you're on the page, take a look at the top right corner. You'll notice a set of 3 dots. This is commonly referred to as the More Options menu. Clicking on these dots will open up a drop-down menu that gives you various options to customize or interact with your page. This is where you'll find the option we need, so go ahead and click on those 3 dots. With the drop-down menu open, simply look for the option labeled Duplicate. It should be fairly straightforward to find, as the menu options are quite intuitive. Clicking on Duplicate instructs Notion to create an exact copy of your current page. This feature is incredibly useful when you want to maintain the structure and content of your page while making changes elsewhere or using it as a template for new work. After selecting Duplicate, Notion will automatically create a copy of your page. What's great is that this duplicate will immediately appear in your sidebar, right below the original page. This makes it easy to see both versions at a glance and gives you quick access to your new copy. You can then rename it, move it to another location, or start editing it right away, depending on your needs. Duplicating pages in Notion is a simple yet powerful function that can save you a lot of time and allow you to work more efficiently. Now that you know how to duplicate a page, you can leverage this feature to better manage your content and enhance your productivity. That's all there is to it. You're now equipped with the knowledge to duplicate Notion pages with ease. Whether it's for backing up your work or creating new templates, this process is quick and straightforward. Thank you for watching this tutorial, and see you in the next video where we'll continue to make your Notion experience even better. Happy organizing!